Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see Temu seeding balance. So the first step you need to do is to open any browser because we are unable to see this on the app. So we are going to open the Chrome and we need to search for Temu influencer program. So click here and you need to open the first website, that is Temu influencer program, and basically you need to join the program. So once you join the program, as you can see, I already joined, and here you can see my seeding balance, that is £4. So here you can see that you can see your influencer cash and your affiliate cash as well here. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.